Our MTPredictor or MTP analysis script here, if I double click on it, contains three different options. It contains our MTP color reversal bars. Here you can either choose hollow candlesticks, or you can choose open, high, low, close bar, just bars if you wish, just the open, high, low, close bars. So you can actually choose which format you wish, whether you like just an open, high, low, close bar chart, or whether you like the hollow candlesticks. The hollow candlesticks are where the candles plot either full or a full body, you can see here, for a down bar, or a hollow body for an up bar. And then our MTPredictor colors are placed on top. So our MTPredictor colors have nothing to do with whether it's hollow or filled. That's just the normal candlestick convention. You also can choose the color you wish for your up bar, so your bullish bar, your bearish bar, and your neutral bar. You then have your ATR stop, our MTP ATR stop, which is our red and blue dots here. Again, you can choose the colors you wish here. I'd leave all these default settings as they are. Please don't change those. Just have the options for the colors. You can also then displaying your MTPredictor swings. These are connected swings here. So if you wish to then add your major swings, so you can tick to display major swings, and there it is, the major swings on the chart as well. Again, you have the option to change the color on that and the swing thickness as well. So if you'd like your major swings on there as well, you can do that. I wouldn't do your minor swings because there's just so many of them, it will just clutter your chart up, so don't really do that. Normally I just leave the intermediate degree swings on as well. Lastly, the number of days to calculate. Ideally we need to leave that as a lower number as possible to allow the script to calculate as quickly as possible, but still have at least 800 to 1000 bars on your chart. So obviously the shorter time frame you have, the lower that number can be. So if you're on like a 3-minute chart, you can bring that down to say 5 days. If you're on a slightly longer chart, you then can have that number a bit higher. So remember, what you're trying to do is load or calculate over the number of days to then have about 800 to 1000 bars on your particular chart. So it allows you to keep the script calculating as quickly as possible, i.e. the less bars you calculate with, the faster the script will calculate. If you're asking it to calculate far too many bars, in other words, you have far too many days loaded, the script will risk timing out. Because there's certain resources available in TradingView, so if you have this too high, you run the risk of this script actually timing out. So that's why we have that variable in there, to allow you to keep that as low as possible, to keep the script calculating as quick as possible, to then still give you the number of bars on there to be able to see the chart correctly.